You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to update your canara bank app. To update the canara banking mobile app, follows this step based on your device type. So let's get started, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So to get started and to update this mobile app banking, it actually depends on your device type. So I'm going to walk you through two different devices that you can use to update your app. The first thing is an Android user. Here's the step-by-step guide on how you can install a new update for the bank app. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to open your Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, type in canara bank mobile banking, or you can also use this key search, which is canara AIL, which is the latest app version. So if an update button is visible, tap on it and install the latest version. And once update is installed, reopen the app, then log into your account. Then on the iOS version, which is the iPhone user, just open the Apple Store on your iPhone, then tap on your profile icon at the top, then at the top corner, then scroll down to find the bank mobile app list. Then after that, if an update is visible, then tap update next to the app, and once installed, open the app and log into your account. And can as well as use the search bar as well. Once you enter, just click on the search bar at the top, then type in the canara mobile app banking, then install the update if there's any available update for the app, and that's it.